Bad credit holding you back from buying a car? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get approved for an auto loan up to $25,000 with no cosigner. I'm also going to show a step-by-step method on how to get approved, exactly what the lenders look for, and I'm going to share you a list of the credit unions that offer these type of loans. If you don't do nothing about your situation, if you don't find a way to get approved for a vehicle, your situation is not going to change. Your credit score will not improve itself, and on the long term you're going to end up paying more for a vehicle than you actually like to. So stick with me, rock out with me to the end of this video. Again, I'm going to share a list of 5 credit unions that you can get approved for with no cosigner. So these auto programs that they offer is called second chance auto loans. Mainly credit unions offer these auto loans. And the great thing about that is you don't have to deal with predatory lenders. A lot of credit unions are member based, so they're for their members, which means you can get usually a lower rate with a credit union than a predatory lender or a buy here, pay here. So these second chance auto loans, they are designed for people who's trying to improve their credit. Maybe you don't have the best credit, but you have stable income. You have a stable residence. So this is designed for you being able to not have to rely on nobody to be a co-signer. I want you guys to go ahead and grab your pen, your pad, go ahead and write everything down, and let's get you guys into an auto loan. Let's go ahead and dive right into the screens, and I'm going to take you over to the credit unions that offer these programs. On the list, we got Coastline Credit Union. They have a second chance auto loan. Whether you have bad credit due to bankruptcies, charge-offs, slow pays, or even repossessions, come talk to us. This credit union will accept you if you got repossessions. That's big. If you got charge-offs, if you have bankruptcy. This here is a second chance auto loan that will approve you. In fact, as credit unions, we not only give you a second chance, but likely a better rate than other financial institutions can offer. The advantage, you got low monthly payment, flexible terms up to 84 months, competitive rate, and it will rebuild your credit. So this is a strong one because a lot of second chance auto loans do not offer 84 months. Sometimes you have to be prime credits of 700 plus to get an 84 month, and it helps you rebuild your credit. The requirements, you have to have a membership. The underwriting approval consists of job payment, how long you've been at your job, what type of income you have, and how long you've been at your residence. Those are going to be the biggest factors. I want you guys to check them out. All right, second on the list, we got Valley Oak Credit Union. Valley Oak Credit Union, they offer a credit builder auto loan as well. It is a second chance auto loan. So if you notice down here, it says, are you ready for a ride? But have blemishes on your credit score or no history. No worries, we're rooting for you. So how does their auto loan work? Basically, if you got lack of credit or low credit scores, you can get approved for this. It's a credit builder auto loan. The auto loan rate does reduce by 0.25% every 6 months as long as you make your monthly payments on time. So how you apply for this, you basically can call to do a pre-approval. They have terms up to 84 months and you have no early payoff penalties. So this type of auto loan is available to members who have impaired credit and desire to rebuild their credit. At their requirements, a member qualifies for this program if their scores is below 630. All vehicles are eligible. The minimum loan amount is $7,500 up to 48 months. Minimum loan amount $10,000 up to 69 months, and your minimum loan amount is $15,000 if you want to go 78 months, and the minimum loan amount is $20,000 if you want to go 84 months. All right, next up on the list, we do have Key Point Credit Union. They offer what's called a Fresh Start Auto Loan, a program for auto buyers with challenged credit. Nobody's perfect. We understand that you might have some credit hiccup. That's why we offer auto loan programs for members with challenged credit. So if you got some challenged credit, this is one for you as well. On this Fresh Start Auto Loan program, the loan amounts go up to $40,000. You can finance up to 100%. So the minimum down you need is 10% if your FICO scores is 550 to 640. If you have a lower FICO score than 550, if you in the 400s, you still can get approved. You just would need 15% down. All credit is accepted here. Proof of income. So you will need proof of income, pay stubs within the last 30 days, and 2 years of tax return for self-employed. So if you're self-employed, you need your tax returns. If you're not self-employed, you just need pay stubs. Pay stubs for the last 30 days. You currently have to be employed for a minimum of 3 months, which is not bad. Up to 120,000 miles on a vehicle. Repayment terms is up to 66 months. And it requires the installation of a remote GPS, basically a tracker device so they could turn the vehicle off if you decide you don't want to pay them, right? Key Point Credit Union is definitely one you want to check out. And last but not least, we do have Panhandle Credit Union. Panhandle Credit Union offer a second chance auto loan as well. So you could finance up to 90% of loan to value with a maximum of $25,000. Also, it has flexible terms up to 60 months. So their terms are shorter, but they do offer up to $25,000. If you feel like this video was helpful in any way, please like and subscribe. Like this video, it'll share it to more people out there that's looking for auto loans just like this. Also, it'll help my YouTube channel as I'm trying to get started and deliver this information and these gems to you guys. If you are a first-time buyer that's looking for a auto loan, check out this video above. See you guys in the next one.